Hey guys, I'm gonna teach you how to spin a pencil. Okay, as you can see, it's really early in the morning, Sunday morning. Okay, first you'll need a pencil, preferably unsharpened, so it gives you more balance. We're only doing the normal thumb round today, so okay. Gonna position it on your two fingers and then hold it with a thumb. The proper name for this move is the thumb around. So what you're going to do is push around with the middle finger so it can go around. Just like that. Like that. If you use too much power, it's going to fly off. If you use too little power, it's not even going to make the full revolution. So just spin that around. Just keep practicing, that's all I can say. Make sure you don't bring your middle finger along with it. Just flick it. See, like that. Flick it. In my future tutorials, you're gonna need to know this. This is the basis of everything else. So when you spin it, it should land like this. Okay? Okay, good luck.